In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own brand label in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword labels. You can browse through the thousands of templates in Canva's template library, but you can also enable the format, style, theme, pricing, and color scheme filters on the sidebar to easily find the design that you are looking for. But if you would like to start from scratch, you can simply click on the plus icon on the first row of the template library. But once you've found the design that you like, you can now open and customize it. In the Uploads tab, you can upload your logo, monogram, and other graphic assets to your dashboard. You can also customize your label template using the Canvas, drag and drop design tools, and free media gallery on the Elements tab and Text tab. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer. Or you can use Canva's Print on Demand option. To do this, simply click on the Print Stickers option and choose the perfect shape, size, and paper finish and order your sticker label from Canva Print. Then fill out the shipping and billing requirements so that the labels will be delivered to your doorstep. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.